Awesome, awesome. We're going to go over some of the differences of how we marinate our rib at Munchie's Life Barbecue. We're going to take and score this. I got this from some of my mentors and my old school barbecue coaches. It keeps the barbecue intact. We don't tear that off. We keep that intact. We paid for it. We cook it. It's scored. Give them a little vinegar spray. Here's the marination for our pork spare ribs with our all-purpose seasoning. We're starting our smoker today. I'm going to add some more wood. We do believe in recycling, so we take all those Amazon and old boxes for kindling. Got a couple of those. The kindling's there. It comes up on the old charcoal and bark. We'll put that drip on here in a minute. Okay.